that tropical hurricanes, believe it or not, are influenced by Earth's rotation. Now, let's delve into the theme of survival in tornadoes. The famous tornado alley cuts through the heart of the United States, a region that hosts about 1,200 tornadoes annually, spanning 7 states and reaching into parts of southern Canada. But this isn't the only spot on the globe where such phenomena occur. Places like Mexico, Argentina, Uruguay, Australia, China, Bangladesh, South Africa, and Europe are also stages for these destructive events.